Hello, my dears. Guess who's back finally? After a long and tough 7, almost 8 months of recovery, today I'm finally daring to film with Linus again. You've seen the first video. We had the production 3 days ago. It's finally time that I can more or less stand again, only for half days though. Unfortunately, I really still had problems, and I still have problems. I'm not completely ready for action, but I'm good for half a filming schedule. Now we're going to make a few videos again, so you're not left completely high and dry, and so the channel gets going again a bit, at least. I'm doing pretty well so far. Of course, I still have trouble climbing stairs. I still can't do any sports, and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, my knee probably won't ever be the way it used to be because the injury was just too severe. I even had a few comments under the videos saying that I'm faking it and that I should finally come back now. I can promise you I wasn't faking it. I've never experienced pain like I have in the past few months, and I still do. So I really want to thank you all for waiting, for continuing to support me as channel subscribers and channel members. That really helped me a lot during this time. I didn't earn a single cent in my regular job. I basically couldn't do anything. I was just lying around the whole time and felt like a bug on its back. That really wasn't a good time, but it's over now. Things are starting up again. Today, summer begins. I can produce for you again. That's all pretty good. At the beginning, I'll tell you right away. For now, there will only be a video every 2 weeks until we get back into it. We've produced a bit of content since my production days are now much shorter because I have to sit down again and again. In between, we can't manage as many videos a day anymore, but I think at least a little bit will come. Hopefully you'll be happy to have your Letitcook cooking channel back. I'm definitely glad to be able to make something for you again. And yes, now I hope you have a lot of fun with what we're going to do in the near future. And feel free to interact a bit, leave a subscription, leave a like. If you want, tell your friends a bit about the channel, and so it gets a few more clicks again. Of course, because of the long injury break, it really went down a lot. I'm not relevant on the internet at all anymore. That's only logical. If you stop making videos for half a year, it would be a miracle if you were still up there afterwards. But of course, you can really help me with that if you like the channel. Now, I wish you a lot of fun in the coming weeks. Next Saturday, the first professionally made video will be released. For now, you only get today's update because we still have to edit, shoot, edit, and so on, all the videos first, and make them nice for you before you can watch them. Have fun with Letitcook cooking channel content. Enjoy, and see you next week. Bye.